Back in a minute. I should probably wake up a bit before getting into a conversation like that.
A simply amateurish and melodramatic take on grief that only scratches the mere surface of... Ugh! Just say it's bad if you didn't like it. Pretentious prick. Could probably recite this song review by heart at this point.
Maybe they're right, though.
Hello, old friend.
Gone through a few more of these than I'd like to admit. Let's see what we've got. Auric, best way to get around Pittsburgh with how bad the driving gets. God, Dad would have flipped if he saw me with this. I really should quit. Maybe I should call Rob back.
Hello?
Hey, Rob.
Hey, Dakota. Sorry, did I catch you while you were sleeping?
Yeah.
I really should expect that by now, yeah? That's on me.
No, it's fine. I just need to get my sleep schedule back on track. How's Janine doing? How are the kids?
You mean Janelle?
Shit, sorry. Yeah. I used to date this girl named Janine, and now I just swapped the names on accident in my head, and
Hey, it's all good. Janelle and the kids are fine. Listen, wanted to call you about that song you sent me last night.
Yeah, I figured.
You know, we talked about this, Dakota. This isn't what your fans want.
But it's what I want.
I know it is, I know. Listen, I think it sounds fine, but... Dakota, you're a fucking neon songbird. You have to admit that this is a stark change in sound.
It is, Rob. I know, This is the music that I need to make right now. If I just keep trying at doing things a bit differently, then maybe people will come around.
We've tried. You know we've tried, Dakota, but this won't sell. Your past few singles have been tanking because your fans aren't taking to this new direction. They want the bass grooves, they want the synth leads. Critics haven't exactly been kind either. If you keep pushing it in their faces, it'll foster resentment.
What do you want me to do? I can't write anything else. The old stuff just isn't in me anymore. I'm sorry.
I know what happened was awful.
Rob, don't.
I know it was awful. And you know you have my condolences and my family's condolences. I've tried to be there for you as a friend as much as I could, but... I mean, we're losing money. You're already 2 months late on your album contract, and
I know! I'm late on the fucking contract!
I know, I'm sorry. Yeah, I hate to keep bringing it up, but... God, the label needs the money, and this sound isn't selling.
So what do you want me to do?
I mean, okay, I have an idea, if you're up for it, but it might be a lot.
I'm listening.
So, my friend Don has this log cabin about 2.5 hours south down in West Virginia. Now, I've never been there myself, but I've heard a lot of stories of musicians retreating.
Whew, just one more box. I'll carry it up to the cabin and then get settled in. Alright, that's the last of it. I should get a lay of the land before I start unpacking my stuff. Dawn must have left this for me. Don't really need it right now, though. Bleach Sun is an alt hip-hop duo out of SoCal. Their lyrics are super pop culture savvy, usually with a big no service. Rob wasn't lying. This place is definitely off the grid. It's a bit chilly out, but that breeze feels so nice in the sun. Crossing my fingers that the spring showers hold off. Load it up. The wood looks old, though. I bet it'd break easily. Load it up. The wood looks old, though. I bet it'd break easily.
Oh, holy hell, that's bad.
Ooh, sun's going down. I should chop up some firewood before it gets too cold. Doesn't look like this radio works. Dad taught me how to do this years ago. Let's see if I remember. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Fuck. I just need to start with a decent scratch track. Guitar, bass, drums, and keyboard.